Hello student, how are you today? Hope you're fine. So talk about windows to the past on page 207. Page 207. Looking at the past, what happened about the fossil? Who started the fossil? What does the fossil mean? This is what a window looking at the past to have some information about the fossil. Now let's look at some information that we need to know about the fossil and about who studied the fossil. Number one, a scientist who studied the fossil is called what? Paleontologist. A scientist who studied the fossil is called paleontologist. Scientists have to study the fossil. Why? To learn about the plant and animal that have lived long time ago, and also to study the environment of the past. Fossils show us that what? There are some extinct organisms, and they want to look at how they live and how what they eat or the activities that they do. This is what the scientists are interested in and want to make them to study more about this extinct organism. Alright, I said we are going to be looking at what? Dinosaur as an example for today. Dinosaur as an example for today. Now we have different types of dinosaur. Let me say different groups of dinosaur. We have the dinosaur with the big head and the small head. But I said today that we're interested in knowing about the dinosaur with a small head. But before then, I will show you the dinosaur with the big head so you can know what we're talking about. Here is the dinosaur with the big head. Can you see? And there's a big difference between this dinosaur and this dinosaur. So a dinosaur with a small head is called what? Sauropods. A dinosaur with a small head is called what? Sauropods. Sauropods is a group of dinosaurs. Do not forget, they have a small head, they have long necks and big bodies. They have a small head, they have a long neck and big bodies. They eat plants. And they're so lucky about their long necks because it helps them to reach for tall trees. They are so lucky about their long necks because it helps them to what? Reach for tall trees to eat. Then over the time, the scientists wondered that how can an animal have a small head and have a big body? How do they eat? How do they get their food? Enough food. So this makes the scientists to go and study about the fossil of this sauropod. Now, as you can see in my slide, look at the fossil of what? Of a sauropod. You have the skull and the teeth. So the scientists, after their research, come to a conclusion that what? The sauropods do not chew the food. They do not chew it. They have to what? Swallow the food whole. The whole food they swallow. So this helps them to get enough food in their stomach. So the skull and the what? Shape of their teeth help them to what? To swallow the food. Look at the shape of the teeth in the slide. So this is all about the what? The sauropod. Don't forget, it's a group of what? Dinosaur, but it is different because of the small head. And the paleontologists study what? The fossil. They are the one interested in studying the fossil. So if you have any question again that you want to ask Miss Kenny, just send to me on WhatsApp and I'm going to reply you. All right, have a nice day. Bye.